In modern interior designs, many homeowners want to create a luxurious marble look on their walls, especially in areas like living room or the TV background wall. However, installing the natural marble can be expensive and also requires heavy installation work. So this is why the UV marble sheets has become a very popular alternatives. As you can see in this video, they provide a premium marble appearance, but the cost and installation are much more than affordable. But the most common question people ask is how much does it actually cost to install the UV marble sheet on a wall? So friends, in this video I'm going to explain a complete cost calculation for a 100 square feet wall, including the number of sheets required, sheets cost, adhesive, transportation charges, labor charges, and the final cost per square feet. Hey, hi friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. So let's start the video. So friends, first we need to calculate the wall area layer. So let's assume the wall size is 100 square feet. So the total wall area will be 10 into 10, that is 100 square feet. This means we need to cover 100 square feet of wall surfacing using the UV marble sheets. And now let us look at the standard size of UV marble sheet. Most UV marble sheet available in the market come in the size of 8 feet by 4 feet. So the area covered by one sheet will be 32 square feet. This means one sheet can cover approximately 32 square feet on wall area. So now we calculate how many sheets are required. So total wall area is 100 square feet, and area covered by one sheet is equal to 32 square feet. So we have to divide the 100 divided by 32. So the total number required of sheets is 3.12 sheets. But since sheets cannot be purchased in a cutting, so we should round up it. So total we will need 4 UV marble sheet to cover the wall completely. So now let calculate the cost of the sheets. Assume the price of UV marble sheet is around 70 rupees per square feet. So one sheet area will be 32 square feet. So the price of one sheet will cost you around 2240 rupees per sheet. So now we need the 4 sheets, and so the total sheet cost will be 8960 rupees. So friends, actually the price I'm taking about the UV marble sheet is about good quality sheets, because you will get in less price also, like 55 rupees per square feet also, but their quality is not that as much good as this. Another material which is required to installation the UV marble sheet on the wall is adhesive. Adhesive is used to fix the sheets properly onto the wall surface. So approximate adhesive cost for this project is around 550 rupees. Another one is the transportation cost. So this includes the cost of delivering the sheets and materials from the shop to the site. So the approximate transport cost will consider 600 to 700 rupees. So now let calculate the total material cost. The sheet cost is 8960, and adhesive will cost you around 550 rupees, transportation 600. So the total cost it will cost is around 10,000 rupees. And now we will calculate the labor cost for installation. So it will cost you around for 20 rupees per square feet. So we'll for our 100 square feet wall, the total cost will comes is 2000 rupees. So the total for 100 square feet wall for materials with the labor cost, the total price is 12,000 rupees. So friends, and if you want to go with the marble, real marble, it will cost you around almost 30,000 rupees. So as you can see, there is a lots of difference in the price. So friends, if you want to install UV marble sheet on a 100 square feet wall, the approximate total cost will be around 12,000 rupees, and the average installation cost will be approximately 120 rupees per square feet. This includes UV marble sheet, adhesive, transportation charges, labor charges. So with this budget, you can easily create luxury marble wall designs for your living rooms, TV unit, or a feature walls. So friends, if you have any queries, please you can ask me in the comment section, or you can contact through my mail ID which I given in the description. So friends, I hope this video will help you to understand the complete cost calculation of UV marble sheet installation. So friends, thank you for watching. Thank you once again. I will see you in the next video. Thank you once again.